Hi friends, welcome to ARTnCN. Previously we have learned the background, the middle ground and the foreground of a landscape and to color according it, that is cool color, neutral color, warm color. In this video we are going to learn how to add man figure in the landscape and importance of man figure in the landscape. When we added man figure in the landscape, it gives the understanding of the overall picture related to man figure. In the on hand, our emotional mind is evolved to see colors, feeling, atmosphere of any place. But our logical mind is evolved to identify the objects, elements in the landscape. When we added a man figure, it gives the clear picture of the overall landscape. And to give the viewer pure understanding of size and scale, man figure is very necessary to add in landscape. Size of man helps us to understand the size of any other elements in the picture. It helps us to understand the height between the objects in the painting. Now we are going to learn the difference between the skyscape and the landscape. When we approach to landscape, we dedicated the 2/3 of the paper to the land. So the more space is given to the land, viewer's eye can see the land more than that of sky. So this is land and this is dedicated for sky. Similarly, you can approach towards skyscape. So this is how I am approaching to the skyscape when I am lifting 2/3 of the space to the sky, and cloud is very important to the skyscape to show perspective in the sky. You can also show perspective in the sky by doing color also. Now we are going to understand the importance of animals and birds in the painting. When we added animal in the painting, it also gives the similar effect as we added a man figure. Similarly, our logical mind compares the other objects by comparing with the animal. It's a clear understanding of size, scale and height. Here you have to understand, when we paint animals, it must be below the eye level. This eye is not the artist's eye, this is the viewer's eye after the overall painting. This is here the eye level equivalent to the horizon. When we are adding birds and animals, it is better to add in groups. So I am drawing a landscape and going to do a value study using a neutral tint. So hue is any color and the lightness and darkness is the values of the particular color. If you do this, will drastically increase your color sense. This will help you to understand any picture at the fundamental level, proper understanding of lights and shades, volume. This will give you the clear understanding where to give color, in what amount. So this is very necessary to do value study. So you can see here I am coloring this picture using Pines Gray, which is a neutral tint. Color study using neutral color will also help you to see differences in the colors. This will give you more clear understanding where to give darks, that you can see I am adding more darks behind the house. So do value studies more and more. This will improve your work and the overall balance in the painting. Here I am adding details in the front and some details in the house. Now adding a tree. And now I am adding some birds in the sky. So next I am going to use color in the landscape. If you do value study before color, this will help you a lot. You can use your pencil for value study before doing the color in the overall painting. So I am adding blue, that is cool color, in the sky. Now I am giving a yellow wash in the house and the foreground. Adding required shades using deeper values, making the foreground more warmer using orange. You will notice I am making the mountains using ultramarine blue. And you will notice I am using neutral color in the middle ground for the distant trees. So the complementary of yellow is purple, so I am going to shade the house using purple color, as it is my focal object. I am making the tree using the thick color. Some details in the house. birds in the sky to show some perspective in the sky. Some details in the foreground. So this is how we compose a painting. This is all for this video. Hope you will like our today's initiative. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share, and most of all, thanks for watching.